Vlog number 2. Oh, am I excited? Oh, am I hyped? Because we are going to the mighty London to see the mighty Rizzle kicks. And by the way, I did just like kick there. I'll do a quick. Yeah, I just did that. But we're taking the metro to this train station. We're gonna get on the train and we're gonna go to the London. Like and subscribe. From the train straight to the British Museum.
Whoa. Right, for some reason my voice just wasn't cutting through, so we're gonna do some post-commentary on this stuff. I really believe these all look like bongs, but from the past, it was kind of beautiful. That one especially was a hole ready to be bong ripped. This was Michael Jordan from the past eras. He had holes in his shoes back in the day. He didn't even get a new pair, and he was still balling up. Massive balls. Surely you'd just be boiling out in the sun in these, man. I don't know how they do it. Hopefully no one actually wore this.
I already know they were using this for the dirty burgers back in the day. You're hitting it from the back. You're hitting it from the front.
This was actually an ancient sex tool they used to use.
Plug!
It turns out they actually had heating back in the day. I did not know this.
Sniff too much or tranquilizer, it'll catch up with me, it'll catch up with me. You're gonna lug a sculpture around the country and just get the whole thing, man. It's just parts of it. The first ever invisible cloak of its time. It does look pretty cool to be fair. This grass looks so sittable as well. And it's just not allowed to be sound. Ooh. Big circular dome. No, not dome. You pie face me. That's Big Ben.
Huh?
Big Ben.
That is not me.
So damn tall.
Single man, reveal yourselves.
Hello, I'm Spike and I'm from Brighton and I love Rizzle kicks. Just look at this. It's beautiful, it really is. London, man! This is where miracles are made. This is where dreams are made here. No, definitely not. Where the hell are Rizzle kicks? Right, the first guy just talked about fish penises and how he had boners on his shoulders. Hopefully the next act talks about vaginas and arseholes. I'm praying.
Well, hopefully.
Please.
Is that what you're into?
That's what I'm into.
He's a complete liar. He loves penis. He loves it.
We are ending the night with pizza. Wait, what's the show called?
Sakamoto is just.
Sakamoto Beast.
Sakamoto is.
What do we rate the concert?
That's concerts that I've been to.
I'm giving it a genuine 10 out of 10 for throwback value.
I don't know, man. It's not a 10 out of 10.
It was for
I'm a
me,
big
man.
critic.
It was for me, man. It was for me.
No, 7.6.
Ooh,
Oh, bang.
damn. You know what? I'll change my score to an 8.9 then. And that is the end of the Spike Vlog 2. Wow, was it a good one?
Oh,